Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa, and today I have a layout for SpiegelMom scraps, and I am going to quickly show you the new sequins that are out for June. I'm not actually going to use these ones on my project, but I did want to show you them so that if you want to grab them, be sure to click the link down below and hop over and grab these beautiful sequins because they are beautiful. We have the hummingbird, which was this one. We have pink flamingo, super fun. These ones just didn't particularly go with my layout for today. And the third one is fancy pants, as well as the Sweetwater that matches the saltwater taffy distress oxide ink. That one was released on the 29th of May, so that one is also in the shop. And so be sure, if you want any of these beautiful sequins, you go and grab them. I'll show you real quick before I start my layout, or before I speed up the video and start my layout. This is the sequin mix I am going to use. Now this one is not available in the store anymore, but like I said, there's tons of other beautiful sequins, and probably ones that are pretty close or have the same color tones in them. You can probably find in the store. So yeah, the link will be down below, and we are going to start this layout. So I'm going to speed up the video and we'll put this together. Okay, so now we are going to build our layout, and we're going to start with our background, which I am taking this stencil. This is a Crafter's Workshop stencil. I apologize, I don't know the name of it. I can look it up if you would like to know. But I'm basically just taking my blender brush and some Tattered Rose Distress Oxide ink, and I'm just going to add some color to my white cardstock background. And this overall layout is very simple. I don't add a lot of embellishing. I really let the sequins and my photo take center stage. So I purposely kept things very simple. So there you see my background is down, and I did have some other ink on my blender brush. So it is a bit of a pink with a little bit of added, I think it was maybe a brown or a different yellow, but it didn't muddy the color, so I left it. Next up, here is my photo, and I was just measuring up when I have matted my photo, how much space I was going to be covering up, so I wouldn't add sequins underneath my photo because you wouldn't see them. So I'm just going to lay down a few sequins so you can get the idea of what I'm going to do. But basically I'm taking from the sequin set that I showed at the beginning of the video, which is the Peach Cobbler, taking the navy, the larger ones, and putting those on top of all the dots in the outer scallop of the stencil. And then the line that goes all the way around the heart, I took and just randomly put the sort of copper and peachy colored sequins, the smaller ones, all around the heart. And there you see I have completed putting down all of those sequins. It did take a little while, but I can't tell you how much I absolutely love how this layout turned out. It is simple, but the addition of the sequins to that stenciled background just makes a huge statement on the page. If you have not tried stenciling your background and then using sequins to decorate the stencil, I highly recommend it. It is so beautiful, and it takes and does all the work for you. Once you put those down, you don't really have to add anything else. I add a few things, like I said, but I kept it really simple because I was so happy with how that stencil and the sequins looked on the page. I loved it. There you see I've just added a few tags and some embellishing at the top of the photo with a camera, and then a flare, and then I have a little butterfly that was from a Maggie Holmes collection, and a little Mickey head because these are photos of my kids at Disney. I thought about making the title A Good Day, but I couldn't make this A work. I may go back down the road and add a small A on top, or on top of the camera, but for now my title is just going to be Good Day. And I think it works fine. This is the end of, we were on the People Mover at the end of a very long day at Disney. This was actually during the extra magic hours on one of our visits. And so my kids had a very good day for sure, but they were definitely tired. And if you check the photos at the end, you'll see my son doesn't even have a smile at this point. He is pretty tired. So it's funny because you can tell in the photo that he's had a long day and he's winding down for sure. I do finish up the layout with just a few little tiny punched hearts in navy to bring out that blue again. And with that, here are the still photos. And like I said, super quick, I'll have in the description box below the link to the shop and the Facebook group. So be sure to go and grab some sparkly sequins and try this technique on your layouts. I'd love to see them. So with that, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.